Itinalaga na ang bagong chief ng Governance and Strategy Management Office ng 7th Infantry Kaugnay Division sa isinagawang Assumption Ceremony of Chief GSMO and donning of ranks to newly promoted officers na ginanap sa Bulwagang Bandong, Kaugnay Hall, Fort Magsaysay, Nueva Ecija, kamakailan. Naupo bilang bagong chief ng GSMO si Colonel Magtanggol Panopio na siya ring kasalukuyang Assistant Chief of Staff for Civil Military Operations G7 ng 7ID. Pinangunahan ang nasabing aktibidad ni Major General Andrew Costello, Commander ng 7ID bilang Presiding Officer. Kinilala ni Colonel Panopio ang kontribusyon ni Chief of Staff 7ID Colonel Ronald Bautista at Division Inspector General 7ID na si Colonel Rodrigo Marinas na nagsilbing mentor niya sa kanyang panunungkulan sa Kaugnay Division.
With me, the Chief of Staff, the Inspector General, in my short stint in 7th Infantry Division, I see, sir, that I have a good mentor that will lead me and help me to accomplish my tasks as the SMO. During our discussion, I know how passionate the Chief of Staff and the IG who will then help me to accomplish my mission.
Samantala, kasabay ng Assumption Ceremony ay isinagawa rin ang donning of ranks para sa mga newly promoted Lieutenant Colonels ng 7ID, kabilang na sina Lieutenant Colonel Robert Valenzuela, Lieutenant Colonel Dominic Tagorda, Lieutenant Colonel Pedro Dacanay at Lieutenant Colonel Sigarsanti Estrada. Patuloy ang Kaugnay Division sa pagtatalaga at pagkilala ng mga personnel na talaga namang hindi matutumbasan ang serbisyo na ibinibigay para mapanatili ang kapayapaan at maiangat ang pamumuhay sa lugar ng nasasakupan. Mula dito sa Fort Magsaysay, Nueva Ecija, ako si Lester Donato, ang inyong kaugnay.